Today we're going to be opening a very special package that I've been waiting for quite a long time. Let's just read it. And from reading, you're already going to know what it is. Plus, I'm probably just going to put what it is in the, in the title. But this box is from Yzy Supply. So that should already be a giveaway. Simple packaging. Took a while to get here, but that figures with millions of orders, usually a sort of thing. But let's just read it off. Yzy 1T Black 3, Yzy Short Sleeve 1 Black, Yzy Pods Black 3, Yzy Pods Black, quantity 1 for each. I regret not buying multiple pairs. I should have. I'm literally an idiot. Here are the Yzy Pods. They come in this bag. We're going to wait for that one. Best for last. I did need black t-shirts. I'll probably wear this tomorrow, actually. But this is like a nice washed t-shirt. So, we got mud in our dog. Could this? Oh my God. What y'all know? So, my one on the back of the off-white. Something that body in a G. And you can compare the black to the Adidas track pants. Like you can see, it's like a wash faded black. So that's cool. And it has a 3 for the size. Let's see if it has any like tags or anything. Wow, this quality is actually really nice. Well, not actually really nice as if I'm like surprised, but yeah. So they did have a tag in here. So that's probably from whatever brand or whatever vendor this was originally. But yeah, this was like the tank top type shirt. So yeah, I literally should have got everything, but I thought like I'd have more chances to get them. I should have known, but sleepers never win. So, okay, so this is like a pull bag. Not sure what material this is, maybe neoprene or something. I have no idea. So, wow. So these are really like a Balenciaga sock or a Balmain knit. We can compare them once we try them on, because right now I have my Balmain B-bolts on, the knit, the tall ones, some Hanes socks of course. But yeah, here you have like the 2 grip pods at the bottom. Let me see, hopefully the light is, let's see. So you have the 2 grip pods, and then you have like a thing that joins them in the middle. So I thought that from the description, from videos that I watch, it was saying like you just have the 2 pods. But they don't say anything about this piece here that's actually like a piece of thing down there. And then it's just a very tall sock. So we are gonna take the Balmain off. I'm sorry, I'm just super excited to try these on. Dash that way. And here, this is a size 3. My Balmains are a size 44. I have flat feet as well. So I just went for the largest size and hoped for the best. Oh, yes. So I probably should have bought 2. I definitely should have bought both. The largest size and the second largest. But, yeah. So you can see my foot is not as big as the largest size that would fit in here. But they do feel pretty cool. Like, wow. And as you can see right here, I'm flat-footed. Ooh. They kind of look like ninja shoes. So, let's do that. Boom. And that is it with a Adidas track pants. And then let's get these other ballmines off. And then again, just look around at the other shoe with the 3 little dots and slide these on. I am and was and still is and be and all those things super excited for these, because regardless, it's 20 bucks, so I really don't care. Boom. All right. These are just so interesting. Connie, you did it again, bro. You did it again, my G. These things are so sick. And you're probably like, you only like them because it's Kanye. You're fucking right. I only like them because they're Kanye. Like, are you dumb? Like, you think I would buy these if they weren't Balmain? Like, if they're Louis Vuitton or Balenciaga, Gucci, whatever, yes. But if they weren't designer, I wouldn't buy them, because designer means quality. From my experience with knit shoes and shoes in general, because I beat the hell out of my designer shoes, and yeah, but I do like, these are so sick. And yes, granted, the toe part is a little bit long, and it looks like I have like a fitted flipper on, but these are super sick. I'm also gonna try these like with a gel insole in them and everything. Like, I'm gonna see how flat foot people can wear a thing like this, but I do feel good amount of arch support here. So I'm even thinking, like, what if I'm able to put these inside of a shoe as arch support? So I'll be trying that as well. So I'm just gonna be trying lots of different things. Yeah, I love them. These are so sick. Step this way, step this way, step this way, step this way. Freaky ass nigga, you was 69, God. Freaky ass nigga, you was 69, God. Yeah, I'm really hyped right now. Like, I love these so much.